Hey guys, welcome back to Low-Tech's under $50 gaming headset roundup. In this video, we're doing the MPOW EG3 Pro. Alright guys, let's get into these MPOW EG3 Pros. So even though these aren't really a name brand like the others, these actually have some of the best reviews on Amazon. 4.5 stars from like 3,000 some odd people, which I'm actually really excited about these because they boast full aluminum build quality and things like that. So on the box, they look pretty normal. They don't really stand out too much. Literally says the same exact thing on this side, but these use 50mm drivers instead of 40, so that's kind of nice. True surround sound effect, we will see. They're not really pushing the gamer thing, which I like to see. I like to see less and less gaming. Wow, these are stuck on. It comes with a little carrying case, a Ziploc carrying bag. That is hysterical. And some wires. Alright, so in the box, this is all you get. You get the headphones themselves with a nice long braided cable. It actually feels really nice, really soft. And you get your inline controls here, mic, mute, and volume up and down. And a Velcro strap to hold it all together. The headband, instead of being a single headband like the others, it's on this like spring retention system. It's pleather and it's nice and wide, but not a lot of cushion. And they're heavy. Wow. They said full aluminum, and I think the only aluminum bit is the headband. That's definitely plastic. Nice soft cups. I'm so curious to see how comfortable these will be. So the MPOWs come with a USB and a 3.5mm jack, but luckily the USB is only for LED power supply, which is nice, but it's also a bummer because you can't just use a single connector on your PC. That means you have to plug in a 3.5 and the USB if you want LED lights. And that also means on your Xbox or PS4 you will not get LEDs at all. Oh yeah. I don't know if this little bit of LED is worth the hassle. Let's uncoil it a bit. I do like the Velcro strap, not even gonna lie. Oh wow. Oh, these do not seat. Oh, these don't put a seal around your ear at all. So the cable is mega long. Let's listen. Alright, so they don't sound amazing, but they really don't sound that bad for the price. For $40, I think the bass signature is pretty good. The highs are definitely lacking, but they might make up for it in other areas. So right now, I don't think the LED is a real feature. I think it's more cumbersome to have to plug in a whole LED to it. And we'll see how the microphone sounds, but in general, I think for $40, they're decent. So these are my first impressions of the MPOWs. They're very cumbersome. They're very big. And since the ear cups don't rotate, they don't actually put a good seal around your ears. So like if you're playing games or something, you're gonna be easily taken out of the gaming experience if there's a noise outside. Maybe these will work better on a bigger head person, but for me, they're not uncomfortable, but they're not really great. The headband and everything feels really actually good. The microphone sounds meh because they're not amazing, but they're definitely not terrible. Packaging, it came with that Ziploc bag, so I don't know, that's a 10 out of 10 for me. But more really, it's probably like another 6 because it's pretty low key. and very little effort gone into it. Accessories, I think this is going to be pretty standard for most of these headphones, and I think it's going to be an 8. I think this is going to be a very divisive or very love-hate headphones. I think they look kind of cool, but they're just ginormous. Like, compare the ear cup, which is ginormous, to a regular mouse. It's like the size of a mouse, which is huge. And they're perfect circles, so if you have bigger, taller ears, they might not feel amazing. For music, not terrible. They're really not that bad. I've heard worse headphones for sure. The highs are definitely lacking, and the mids are a little bit crushed, but not terribly. These M-Pals really emphasize low and low mid, so I think for explosions stuff that's gonna be great, but if you really want to hear those finite details of like a enemy coming up beside you or something, these ain't it. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed these M-Pal $37 headphones. Or the value seems there, but the comfort's really the thing that kind of bums me out, because I was hoping they'd be nice and comfy since they were so big. But yeah, stay tuned for the long-term review and comparison between all the other headphones we just unboxed. See you guys on the next one.